calling you Arcade GameStop, where we buy and sell used games. This is Michael.
Hey guys, I was wondering if you guys knew when a game was coming out for Wii.
Yeah, what's the game?
It's called Combat Amphibians.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Awesome. Do you want to come down and pick it up tomorrow?
Yeah, could I put down, how much is it going to be? It's real expensive, isn't it?
No, it's only going to be $29.99.
Oh, wow. Well, that's good. Doesn't it have like a second name to it? What, like a sub-name? What is it?
It's Battletoads The Lost Frontier.
The Lost Frontier. Is that a sequel to 9,000 Mudkips?
Yes.
Oh, wow, cool.
Alright?
I might have to come get it.
Awesome. Sounds good, man.
Alright, I can't wait. I'll see you later.
Alright, have a good night.
You too.
Bye.
Mass TV's awesome Cleaner Hole Video Response Contest. Ah! That's what it's called, and here's how it goes. You, whoever you are watching this video right now, I like you a lot. But you're gonna make a video, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be anything, your style, whatever. It doesn't have to relate to Mass TV at all. It can be you singing a song, dancing, some kind of AMV, some video game whatnot, some random screaming crazy stuff. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you make it and you enter it. Show us your stuff. You can post it as a response to any of our videos. And I think at this time we have 3. But by the next time, we might have more. I don't know. But basically, the deadline is the 26th of February, 2010. That's a Friday, I believe. Or whatever that Friday is. Maybe the date's wrong. And we're going to pick a person, and whoever that person is, you're going to be like, wow, I just won, and I'm going to be on Mass TV. And you're going to be on Mass TV, and we're going to feature you in a video, or we can be one of your videos, whatever you want, or topsy-turvy. You can make as many videos as you want. You can post them on as many of our videos as you want. You can do whatever you want, just nothing, no porn. But that's all we're asking. And it's going to be great, and you should do it, and it's really boring, so bye.
Yeah, man, so, fuck. Yeah, this kid called in today, asking about Battletoads or some shit. I don't even fucking, it was so stupid. Yeah, fucking kid's like, dude, fucking Battletoads coming in or some shit, and I'm like, fuck yeah, Battletoads. Yeah, it comes out tomorrow. Yeah, dude, he fell right for it. Oh, it was so fucking hilarious. Yeah, shit, man. Wait, what? Oh, fuck, you're being serious? Hold up, you can't fucking search this shit. Oh, shit. That kid's coming to get Battletoads.